Me and Carol's oldest boy, Seth, has become half of a man today. He's mowing his first yard on a riding lawnmower. Doing pretty good. He's taking his time, doing real good. Pretty proud of him. He's been bugging me. He's been wanting to come out and learn how to ride a riding lawnmower. So with him being out of school and I'm able to mow, figured, and he was awake this morning, figured I'd bring him out and teach him how to ride it and to mow on it. Doing real good. Really proud of him. He's a very smart kid. He knows it. You just got to engage it and keep going. And once he figures out really good that he's a smart kid, he's going to go far. I had Draven out here, Monty Carroll's youngest boy, trying to mow this yard here, which is about a 4-hour mow on that. He did real good. He got a little shook up after a while because of all the bumps and the turns. So I took over and finished it. I did all the edging and stuff first before I let him go on it. He's doing it slow. Of course, like I said, this is his first time mowing on a riding lawnmower and at this house. Yep, he knows I'm recording now. He just flipped me off. Very proud of him. He's never really letting me down, and I hope he doesn't really ever let me down. Or Mommy. We love him so much, him and his brother. He flipped me off again. Go around the tree! See how he goes by himself or going around the tree without me not helping him point the way around. Into the trees! He's like me. Once he gets stuff in his head and he gets it figured out real quick, he'll take off on it. And that's a good quality in him. Hey, he's picking up speed now. He's leaving my old